Hello, well, just want to come and say hi, howdy, have a good weekend. As some of you may know, I recently found out that I'm Pennsylvania Dutch, German, Viking. And that's awesome. And I want to say that something's disturbing me very bad because a lot of you don't know, and so I need to let you know. So I'm telling you right now, blackface. It's not appropriate. Yes, I am a white man. Yes, but I have soul. And you know what? If you see me dance, you'd know that. So with that said, let me explain to you why blackface is not cool. Blackface was used in the very early times of slavery to insult black folks. People would use it to insult black folks. So, yeah, we have white chicks, we have people doing whiteface, but you know, when's the last time a white person's been insulted? Except for a Trump supporter. So, with that said, blackface is not appropriate. And I want to show you my new tattoo. How do you think that? Is that cool? That's my Viking heritage. Crows. So, remember, blackface, not good. It's an insult to the black community. And I have a lot of friends. Actually, I have friends of every color. But please don't be stupid and don't insult them anymore. Figure it out. Look it up. Use the power. The power is in your hands. Have a great day and an awesome weekend and a blessed day if you're religious.